In this video, we will see how we can extract data into different columns. So right now we are seeing there are a couple of data rows are there and all the data is located into a single cell. In this video, we will see how we can convert one cell to multiple cells of data. That means there are commas, how we can convert this one column to multiple columns. This tutorial will be applicable for other comma separator also, like if there is semicolon or other similar type of delimiter, you can also apply the same way to convert one column to multiple columns. So what we need to do, at first we need to select the column. So this is the column we want to convert into multiple cells or multiple columns. So once we select the column, then from the ribbon we have to click on data. Once we select data, then we'll find different options are there, but our goal was to convert from one cell to multiple cell. That means from this text line to multiple cells. So there is one option, it is called text to columns. So once we have to use this tool, so I'm going to click text to column and then it will pop up on window, and here we are seeing our sample data which we have. Data sets are there. This is the preview. Okay, so we want to convert it into multiple columns. So here we are seeing different options are there, like delimited or fixed wide. So here we are seeing there are commas for each of the case, I mean each of the row. So delimiter is fine because it helps us to separate everything based on this comma. So if we check carefully what is the description of delimited means, it is meaning the characters such as commas or tabs separate each field. That means instead of comma, if there is tab, then we can also use the same delimiter, that option, to convert from one column to multiple column. So we need to choose this thing, and after that we have to click next, and once we click next, then we'll find this type of thing. So here it is asking what type of delimiters are there. So for our case we have comma, so we just need to uncheck this thing. We have to click here to check the comma. If you have any other options like dash or semicolon or space, you can also use the other thing also, or other, if you want to like divide it into different columns based on some special character or words, you can also do using the other option. So for my case, I mean for my data set, the comma is fine, that's why I choose comma. And if we press comma, then we'll see the preview. That means how it will look after it divided into multiple rows, multiple cells of data. So that means each row it is dividing into multiple columns. So like for this data, it is showing it will be this type of output. Okay, so now click again next, and then it will be like this. We can ignore it, we can put the text or something like that. For my case, I see text is best. But if you want, you can also format data based on your own need. But for my case, the text option is fine. And then after that, we have to click on finish. And then we are seeing that it is divided into multiple like columns from the same row, like same data set. Okay, so like from 2, I mean, if we see row number 2, it is showing all the data is into different rows, and if we actually decrease the size based on our own need, and that's it. And we can also increase to see the details. So in this way we can easily convert from text to different columns by applying this technique. Hopefully this video will be helpful for you to convert text to multiple columns. Thank you for watching the video.